Okay, this is an update video for the 2011 top Gypsy Queen that I broke last week. It was missing the auto out of the pack. And I got this envelope yesterday from Top. So I'm going to show you what I got from them. Here's the missing auto. It's a Daniel Hudson for the Arizona Diamondbacks. There you go. And I just want to thank you again for being in the break. And future breaks are happening right now at TalkSportsCards.com. It's TarkSportsCards.com. So that's where the future breaks are going on because of the eBay stuff going on. So, hope to see you guys there. Later.